Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can read deleted WhatsApp messages on WhatsApp app. So without wasting any time, let's begin. First of all, open WhatsApp. Here you can see it when I receive a message from my friend, and if he deleted the message, then you can see that the message was deleted. So if you to see deleted WhatsApp messages, go to Play Store. And search for what's removed plus. This is the app. Install the app. After installing the app, open the app, and I will show you how you can use it to read deleted WhatsApp messages. Once you open the app, tap on accept and then tap on yes. In the notification access settings, allow What's Removed Plus to receive notification. Then go back to your app and select WhatsApp from here. Then tap on next. Now tap on yes, save files. Then tap on allow. Now this app has been linked to our WhatsApp. Now if I go back to WhatsApp, now once again if my friend message me, and then if he deleted the message, now here you can see that the message was deleted. Now you can see a notification in the top bar. Now finally tap on it. Now here you can see that the deleted message of your friend. Guys, this app is amazing. It only detects the message which was deleted. The link of this app are given in the description, so you can download it easily. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, so please leave a like.